Hello, good day everyone. For today's video, I will be demonstrating to you how to cook tacos al pastor. But before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. I am Maribeth Forlares, a masterand from Matve, major in food technology. So I would like to introduce my recipe or the cuisine I'm going to cook today. Alright? So tacos al pastor is a favorite or one of the famous street food in Mexico. So this is one of their the people will like to eat in street, the tacos al pastor, the cuisine of what we call tacos al pastor. So these are my ingredients. The pork shoulder, we have a glass of water, the white vinegar, the minced onion and the powdered cloves, and here we have the cumin powder. And I was not able to get some pineapple fruit, so that's why I will be using this pineapple slices, and it's yung tubig niya gagamitin natin sa ating pag-marinate. Konti lang naman po. And we have dried oregano. And the supposedly this is to be a Truete paste, but in the grocery I was able to find some paste, so I used a Truete powder. I hope this will be useful. Next, I have here foil. This is used to cover the bowl during the refrigeration or the marination of the pork. And I have also here the tortillas wrapper, the Mexican tortillas wrapper, and of course the sharp knife and the chopping board. Okay, we'll start now. So by the way, I'm a left-handed person, so please bear with me. So by the way, hindi ko ako nagagamit ng plastic gloves kasi I am not confident to use it because I'm prepared to use it in my bare hands kasi it will slip in my knife, so I'm not using a plastic glove. So we will cut this into slim slices, thin slices, okay? Ganito lang po yung pag-slice niya. Huwag masyadong gumamit ng huwag masyadong gumamit ng malakas na pressure para hindi ma-stress yung ating meat. Okay, just be gentle. Alright, just be gentle in slicing the pork. Ayaw eh. Okay. Then, ganyan. Thin slices only. Parang ganito lang kanipis. Okay. Ito na po ganito kanipis po yung ating na-slice na pork shoulder. So may taba siya at may yung mismong meat niya. Okay, tapos na po tayo nag-slice. And then after, we will combine this picture. We will combine all the ingredients needed to marinate the pork. Right? We will combine the ingredients in a bowl. Next is we have to add the cumin powder. Hello guys, I'm excited what's the result of this Mexican cuisine. So it's my first time to eat Mexican cuisine when I finish this one. Next is the dried oregano. And we have the chili powder. This will add color to our meat. And we have 30 ml of white vinegar. Just add it. And the water. We will use water to mix the ingredients. So we will just add gradually the water. Pag tingin mo okay na, so wag mo nang dagdagan ng tubig. By the way, yung pork na ginagamit ko po is, yung ano niya, timbang is 500 grams. Hindi lang siya umabot ng 1 kilo. Okay, we will see to it if hindi ba malapsaw yung ating marinade. At ngayon po, i-add na natin ang ating sliced pork dito sa ating marinade. I-marinate lang po natin ito. Okay. Damihan na natin. And i-mix mo lang after. Kukunin ko na lahat. Right? I-mix lang natin sa ating marinade. I'm sure maanghang to kasi yung mga Mexican people, they want maanghang na mga pagkain. Okay. Siguraduhin nating lagyan ng marinade yung lahat na meat para masarap. Oh, ganyan na yung looks niya. Tama na. I think it's good na para i-marinate natin. Next natin gagawin ay i-cover natin yung ating bowl para mag-marinate tayo. Supposedly I will be using the cling wrap, but it's not available at home, so I will be using this foil to cover our bowl. So this is it. I-marinate na natin siya for at least 4 hours, or sa akin kasi is I'm going to marinate it overnight. So overnight sa akin. Pero kung gusto nyo, at least 4 hours lang po. So we will cut the foil para i-cover na natin siya sa ating bowl. Sayang, hindi ako nakaano ng cling wrap para mag-clear natin, tignan yung ating marinated na dito meat. So this is okay na. It's important that the marinade here will be covered para hindi mapasukan ng mga tubig or anything inside the refrigerator. So ito na po, ready na siya para sa pag-marinate natin sa refrigerator. I-overnight po natin siya. Sorry guys, my classmates and sir, I forgot to put some pineapple juice. So lagyan natin konti lang po. Mabuti at na-remember ko pa. Pineapple juice. Okay. That's enough na po. So mimix natin ulit. Mix lang natin ulit ang ating meat. And then cover ulit. Buti na lang at naisipan ko pa na may isang ingredient pa na hindi nalagay. Okay, marinate na po natin sa refrigerator. Okay, our next step to do is to put this marinate meat in the refrigerator. Sa chiller lang po natin ilalagay. So, bali overnight siya. I-marinate dyan. At bukas, see you. Ano tayo bukas? Magluluto ng tacos. Sige, bye-bye! Hello! Welcome back! It's me again, Marbeth Ponte. So, let us continue our demonstration in cooking a tacos. So, kinuha ko na po yung ating marinated na meat doon sa refrigerator. And now, let's open it. Ito na po siya. Amoy manghang. So, kunin na natin ang ating skillet. Okay, na-turn on na po natin ang heat. So, let's preheat our skillet. We'll just lower the heat. Right? Okay, so we will just preheat this about 2 minutes. Okay, and para sa pag-brush ng ating cooking oil dito sa ating pan, gamit tayo ng silicone na brush. Parang masyadong mainit na. I-lower pa natin yung heat. Okay, mag-brush ng oil sa pan. Para hindi dumikit yung ating meat. Konti lang naman. And we're gonna use our tong para ilagay yung meat dito. Parang nag-iihaw lang ng meat. Okay, dyan. Alam nyo, parang madilim yung ngayon, panahon, kasi I think uulan. Hopefully hindi tayo maabutan ng ulan dito kasi hindi maririnig yung boses ko kasi wala akong microphone. Supposedly, gagamit tayo dito ng electric, yung grill pan. Sad to say, I don't have that grill pan, so ito lang yung skillet gagamitin natin. Just maintain the yung heat. Huwag lakasan. Huwag din masyadong mahina para fair yung pagkaluto ng ating meat. So, siguraduhin ganito yung ng pork. Yung kanyang appearance. Yung kanyang color. So, parang na siya. Crispy, crispy. How about this? Amoy pa lang, masarap na. Charot. Amoy pa lang, ulam na. Ang bango, guys. Excited na akong matitikman to. Okay, babalik ka rin natin sa other side. Tignan niyo, oh. Parang takam na akong tikman to. Nangangamoy ulam na. Pwede ba itong ulamin? Oh, I cannot get it. Let's flip to the other side. And the other side. Very left-handed. Nakakangalay. Carrot. Hindi pa okay ito. Hindi pa. Pwede na siya ma-transfer dyan kasi naluto na siya. Nakit man. Yung naluto na, i-transfer lang natin sa ating lalagyan na bowl. Okay, since maluwag na yung fillet, let's add meat here. Umaatake na, parang fireworks. Okay, we're almost done cooking our meat, so let's off the heat. Pinapatay na po natin yung ating heat sa pan. Remove the excess twigs. Alright, ready na po ito mamaya sa pag-slice to make it to the taco wrapper. I mean the tortilla wrapper. So ngayon, ating next step ay atin na i-slice itong ating cooked meat into small pieces. Parang nahirapan akong gamitin ang tong. Wait, I will get fork. You set aside this tong for the later's use. At ito yung tinidor. Okay. Parang mas madali siyang gamitin kaysa sa tong. Right now, I'll be using my hands, so malinis naman to. Kakalinis ko lang. Charot. Joke lang. Kanina lang ako naglilinis ng hands ko. Tapos, ito yung mga natin na meat. I-transfer natin sa ating bowl. Para mas easy. easy to eat nga na ano na, toast na yung pineapple. Parang caramelize na siya. So, kaya naliktad na. So, the other side will be caramelized na. So, ngayon, nagano na siya caramelize na. Ano yung kulay. So, na-off na natin yung heat. Now, i-transfer na natin sa ating plate for the later's use. Right. Okay. Ngayon natin ang gagamitin ng ating wrapper, tortilla wrapper. So, i-heat lang natin siya dito sa ating pan. Lagyan natin ng konting oil. Ganyan lang. Let's open this one. So this is a 12 pieces tortilla. So let's see if mauubos natin to. Lower the heat. And then okay, mainit na yung ating pan. So, ganyan lang. Isa lang yung ating malagay kasi masikip. We'll adjust the heat para parang hindi itong gagamitin ko. Change tayo ng tool. Ganyan lang po siya. Mabaliktad pa. Transfer sa lalagyan. And next, ganyan. So we will just follow the same procedures in the next wrappers. Gagamitin natin to for garnish. So, lagyan lang natin dyan. At, huwag kalimutan, kuha rin tayo ng tawag dito. Yung ating pineapple. Another one. We're almost done and gonna eat later the tacos. My version of tacos. Okay, mag-plating na tayo sa ating tacos. So, tacos is obviously open face yan. scoop from this. No, di siya magkakasya. So, dito na lang natin nilalagay. Ganyan. Pwede ganyan. Later, we will fix it. Next is this one. Hello, this is now our final product, the tacos al pastor. Okay, let's have our first bite. Diba?
lasa, ma'am?
For me, since I love meat, of course, the meat is nasakto ra siya og luto.
Thank you.
But ako kay pakikuan mo ko murag something like soft or like di kayo gahi-gahi. I mean, gusto kong mga foods nga something na ay juicy ba or mga sabaw-sabaw, but yeah, ganahan kong opinion, it's better to use fresh pineapple.
Fresh pineapple.
Yeah. But I love tacos.
So overall, score from 1 to 10.
I think there's always room for improvement, so I do believe 9, 8 to 9 over
8 to
10.
9.
Yeah.
Thank you. Enjoy eating.
Eh.
Claire, mau na tacos, Claire. Sige, tilawe.
Ano kang habang?
Kasi mga hagbong ng...
Lami! Lami, guys. Pwede na ako dili ko magkaon ani, guys. Pwede na ako dili ko magpanyaw ani, guys. Kay lami man siya, guys.
Daghan na sa kaon.
Hindi ko makaon ni sibuyas, guys. Pag una na ako ni makaon, guys, hindi ko pangibot. Ang ganyan ka, OA.
Ito yung batang galing sa
Amerika.
labas, naglalaro. Kaya pawis na pawis.
Hindi, galing ako sa Amerika.
Ay, Amerika pala. May sarili siyang Amerika. Sige, kumain ka pa.
Hawid ka rin ariluan kay mahagbong ng ano.
Ay, kung juice.
Okay, get some juice.
May English, mapug ka.
Sarap?
Magkit.